Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are doing a comparison of the old headlight bulbs we had in our Ford Explorer to the new AutoOne LED headlight bulbs that were just sent to us by AutoOne. Let's throw these babies in and see how they brine up the dark nights of winter right here in Virginia. Winter is here, and we all know what that means. Shorter days and more dangerous driving conditions. If you're still running old, tired xenon bulbs, you're basically driving blind. Today, we're putting safety first and showing you why upgrading your visibility is the most important thing you can do for your vehicle this season. A lot of people think Xenons are the gold standard, but they actually dim significantly as they age. In the snow and rain, that weak, muddy light gets absorbed easily by the wet pavement, leaving you struggling to see deer, black ice, or even pedestrians. We measured the spread on these old bulbs, and the brightness is just gone. When the sun sets at 4:30 p.m., you need a light that actually punches through the winter gloom. Staying safe means seeing the road before any hazard can risk your safety. That's where AutoOne comes in. These LEDs are designed to be a direct replacement for those fading bulbs. They provide a 6,000 Kelvin crisp white light, which is the closest thing to natural daylight you can find for your vehicle. Unlike Xenons that take a few seconds to warm up to full brightness, these are instantly on. They use aviation-grade aluminum to handle the heat, ensuring that they won't fail when the temperature drops below freezing. It's modern tech built for the harshest of conditions. And you want to know the best part? You don't need to be a master tech to install these to keep your family safe. This is a true plug-and-play install. Since these have built-in drivers, we aren't messing with any complicated wiring or external ballast that can clutter up our engine bay. It's a simple swap that takes less than 10 minutes. Plus, AutoOne designed these with an integrated CAN bus system, so you won't get any quote-unquote bulb-out errors on your dash. It's a seamless upgrade that works for your car's computer, not against it. Now, look at that clarity. The road signs are popping, and these new LED bulbs bring a lot of light at night. Look at that dead zone in front of the bumper. It's gone. This isn't just about looking cool at night, although these bulbs definitely do that. This is about reaction time. With the AutoOne LED bulbs, I can see much further down the road, which gives me those extra crucial few seconds to react to ice or debris that is in the road. This is a massive confidence booster for anyone that has to commute in the dark. Our final thought, your safety and your family's safety is worth a lot more than the 10 minutes it takes to do this. Don't let old Xenons or halogens leave you in the dark this winter. Use our discount code STFC to save 15% on your amazing upgrade. If you want to see better and drive safer this winter, check the link in the video description down below to find the AutoOne LEDs for your specific vehicle. You'll be happy you did. I know I am. So, stay warm, everyone. Stay safe and keep on wrenching. I'll see you in the next one.